Go home happy with the 2024 Subaru Outback. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get outside and explore in comfort in this feature-rich Outback. Rugged, safe, and built to last, this capable compact SUV is your reliable partner on every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, wireless charging station, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, premium sound system, power liftgate, backup camera, fog lamps. Get the capability you've been dreaming of in this Outback. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.